Posts, what sort of posts should you be doing? You want to be trying to create, good quality posts. You want to be creating like information that people find interesting, depending on what it is that you are promoting. So, stuff about like people find really engaging. Remember, this is not always about your pocket. All right, this is not necessarily all about the money. I know it is, but it isn't. I want to be of value to my audience. How can I build a community of where they really, really enjoy what it is that I'm posting out on a daily basis? So much so that people keep on revisiting my page. We all revisit lots of pages, right? Lad's Bible, don't know if anyone likes Lad's Bible, or, you got, Arsenal, or, I like some of them, them extreme things where like, them free running, where people are doing, like flips and they're jumping over the roof and all the rest of it, yeah? I like stuff like that, so I revisit these pages all the time. That's what you want. You want people to be thinking, yeah, I want to revisit this page. Why? Because the content's really good, okay? You can use little things like infographics, yeah, where you just little quotes and stuff like that. A lot of the time, these actually get really good responses from people, little quotes like this. Pictures, again, this is my luxury super yacht page. Of where I'm promoting luxury super yachts. One thing about luxury super yachts, or what you can do, just another quick tip. If you're in a situation where you want to promote an affiliate product, however, there is no affiliate product available. So say, for example, a few years ago, I had the wise idea to start trying to promote luxury super yachts, okay? Now, the plan was, they wasn't going to pay me per lead, but the plan was this. If I could try and sell some yachts for like 50 million plus, and I get a 1% commission, which was what I was on, happy days, right? The dream was to sell like a Roman Abramovich type £500 million yacht, of which 1% of that's 5 million. Yeah, that's me done. Thank you very much. See you later. But I was probably a little bit unrealistic in terms of that approach completely. People are not going to go, well, I know this now, right? People aren't going to go on Facebook here. Just look on a few posts. All right, yeah. All right, let me go and spend £50 million, yeah? They're not really going to do that, yeah? There are still ways of how you can go around doing it, but it's a long sell. It is a long sell. But like I said, I gave it a shot. Like, why not? Just give it a shot. Like I said, Festus, yeah, this didn't work for me. I didn't make a penny. Not 1p. I got plenty of leads, but I didn't make not 1 penny. But it is what it is. I gave it a shot. Just what if it did start paying? That could have been, really lucrative for me, but it didn't work. But all right, cool. But like I say, still created a really successful page of people really responding really well to it. You can boost your posts as well. So look, this post here, I can boost this, spend another, however much, £5, £10, £20, depends on your budget. I can spend a little bit more. So this gets in front of even more eyes. Just remember, if you ever boost a post, please make sure that you include your link, your affiliate link or your link to your middle page. Make sure you include that in the description so that all of the additional people that are now seeing your post, they all know where they can click on a link and go somewhere. All right? Trying to make posts quite quirky and funny as well. Remember what I said earlier on about the don't you wish your girl was that advert, yeah? The moneysupermarket.com advert. That stands out because it's quite, outrageous. So if you can just try and create some content, but then tie it in with what, look, this is I was doing lead generation for the sash window company, yeah? And again, look, how is he going to now try and, create this snake and make that fit within sash windows? But he's tried, look, snakes in a frame when you work on London, blah, 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 blah. So we've tried to try and create it so that it ties in, yeah? But he's just trying to be a bit quirky and a bit funny, okay? He's trying to be anyway. Videos, you can use videos as well. It's a good idea when you're using videos as well, because videos are really engaging and stuff. Boost them. Boost them, as well as just having them posted with a description, a link in the description to drive them somewhere. Okay? So always lead with value, all right? Do not sell. Remember, this is not about sell. Yeah, it's not about, money. This is about, being of value to your audience. Don't sell. Just let people stumble onto whatever it is you're doing. So even the calls to action, I'm not going to be too direct. Here are some top weight loss products or some top dating products or whatever. Click on the link to see, if any tickle your fancy. Or click here to see, if you can find out a little bit more information about something that you might be interested in. It's always subtle. It's not too in your face, just subtle. Okay, because remember, people are not on Facebook to buy stuff. And if you're in your face saying buy this or buy that, they're going to be like, no, I'm all right, thanks. However, if you give it like a nice little subtle way, it's like, oh, well, in fact, I've landed on this page. Oh, look at this page, it's good. I don't even know how I got here. They don't know they've been sold to. Okay? Post 2 to 3 times a day. The more you can post, the better. Because remember, you might have 10,000 people following your page, but it doesn't mean that everybody is going to always see your posts every single time you post. I've been standing there chatting to you guys all day, so I haven't been on Facebook not once. That means that posts that are going out, I'm going to miss them. So I'm not going to see them. Typically, the lifespan of a post is around about 4 hours. So if I haven't logged on and seen that post within 4 hours, then I might not now see it at all, unless it gets a lot of shares and a lot of engagement. All right? So, if you post a couple times a day, the people that didn't see it in the morning might see it in the evening and vice versa. Remember as well that, if people don't engage with your page at all, that means that Facebook will literally stop showing them content from your page. Because it's like, obviously, this person's not interested in this content from this page anymore. Let's stop showing them content, period. All right?